Всем привет, привет! This is Survival Russian course. My name is Nikolai and this is lesson 8. Today in this lesson we're going to be talking about the Russian numerals. Today we will learn to count from 1 to 100. So let's get started. First of all, it is super important to learn to really memorize first 10 numerals from 1 to 10. And that's what we're going to start with, okay? Well, before we start, you also have to learn how to say 0. 0 is ноль. Ноль. Okay? And I'm sure that in this video, I don't have to really talk about the importance of learning the numerals because since we're talking about survival course, you know perfectly well that if you come to a Russian-speaking country, you have to know the numbers, okay? You have to pay the bills, you have to buy the tickets, you have to buy food, and to do that you need to know the numbers, the numerals.
Свиная рулька 399 рублей, куриные оладьи 199 рублей, куриные медальоны 179 рублей, запеченный цыпленок 299 рублей. Это ресторан Икея.
Okay, so let us learn them. 1. So we will start from 1 to 10. This is the first part. 1. 1. 1. 2. 2. 2. 3. 3. 3. 4. 4. 4. 5. 5. 5. 6. 6. 6. 7. 7. 7. 8. 8. 8. 9. 9. 9. 10. 10. 10. Okay, so once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have memorized first 10. Now, from 10 to 20, we have the ending natsat, which is added to the stem. The stem, this is actually like the numeral from the first 10 numbers. Basically, well, there are some changes, of course, you will notice them, but this is like to give you an idea how to memorize like the numerals from 11 to 20. Okay? 11. 11. 11. 12. 12. 12. 13. 13. 13. 14. 14. 14. 15. 15. 15. 16. 16. 16. 17. 17. 17. 18. 18. 18. 19. 19. 19. Okay, so from 11 till 19, all the numerals have the ending natsit. Natsit. All right, this is for you to memorize. Now the 20 would be dvacet. Dvacet. Okay, you see, it's not natsit ending, it's just tsat. Dvacet. Dvacet. Now, we have to learn, all the further numerals like 21, 32. They are composed like in English. So you just say 21, 20, and then you take the numeral from the first 10, 22, 22, 25, 25, 26, 26, 29, etc. Okay, so now you have to really learn numerals by tenth. So 20, 30, 40, etc. Okay, so let us do that. 10, 10, you already know. 20, 20, you also learned now. Next, 30, 30, 30, 30. Please be careful when you kind of pronounce the numerals, because especially for new learners, it is important and also sometimes difficult to kind of differentiate like 13 and 30. This is the same when, for instance, Russians are learning English. They also make mistakes with like 30, 13, 30, 13, 30, okay? 14, 40. So be very careful, okay? Now, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40. You see, it has nothing to do with 4, okay? 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 70, 80, 80, and then 90 and 100. 90, 900, and 100 would be 100, 100, okay? Now, for instance, if you are saying the number 32, you say 32, or 45, 45, or 56, 56, or 77, 77, or 98, 98. Okay? Now, well, I hope this was clear to you, and please listen attentively to the podcast of today to practice more, to say the numerals, and also to recognize them. Okay? I hope this was very useful to you. I'll see you in the next video. Пока-пока.